Want to earn money by just filling out surveys or playing games? Well, the digital world is full of such opportunities, and one of them is the Givvy Offers app. This free, get-paid-to app is your ticket to earning rewards by answering surveys, completing tasks, and more. It's as simple as logging in, choosing an offer wall, and getting started with the tasks on offer. So, whether you're a seasoned online earner or a newbie, stay tuned to learn how to make the most out of Givvy Offers app. Wondering how to kickstart your earnings with Givvy Offers app? Here's how. The primary way to earn is by working on offer walls. Once you're logged into the app, simply click on an offer wall to get started. These paid offers typically involve engaging in various activities such as playing mobile games, answering surveys and quizzes, or signing up for free trials. To complete an offer, all you have to do is click on it and follow the instructions provided. It's crucial to pay attention to every detail the offer presents, because if you overlook even one, you won't be able to complete the offer and earn the reward. But that's not the only way to earn with Givvy Offers. You can also invite others to join the app. Share your invite link with them and watch your earnings grow. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, you can redeem them in various ways. You can opt for Amazon gift cards or convert your earnings into cash via PayPal, AdviCash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, AirTM, or Payout. Remember, this app is currently only available for Android users, and it's accessible to users worldwide. To get started, you'll need to install the app and log in using your Google or Facebook account. Following that, you can access the member dashboard and start earning. Remember, meticulousness is key to successfully completing offers and earning rewards. Want more ways to earn? Givvy Offers has got you covered. You can boost your earnings by inviting others to join the app. It's quite simple, really. You can boost your earnings by inviting others to join the app. All you need to do is share your unique invite link with them. When they sign up using your link, you'll get a little something extra in your account. So, don't hold back. Start sharing your link today. Now, let's talk about payout options. Once you've racked up some earnings, you'll probably be wondering how to get your hands on them. Well, Givvy Offers provides a variety of options. If you're a fan of online shopping, you can choose to receive Amazon gift cards. If cold, hard cash is more your style, you can convert your earnings into money via PayPal, AdviCash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, AirTM, or Payout. It's all about giving you the freedom to choose what suits you best. With Givvy Offers, your earnings are just a few taps away. Ready to start earning with Givvy Offers? Here's your first step. Simply install the Givvy Offers app on your Android device. Once installed, open the app for the first time. You'll be prompted to log in using either your Google or Facebook account. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the member dashboard. On this dashboard, you can access various offer walls, surveys, and tasks, all ready to start contributing to your earning journey. Now, you're all set to start earning with Givvy Offers. Found this guide helpful? Then why not take the next step? Download Givvy Offers and start earning today. It's free, it's easy, and it's a fun way to put some extra cash in your pocket. And while you're at it, don't be shy about hitting that like button and sharing this video with your friends. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay in the loop for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy earning with Givvy Offers.